What's up everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the SunFounder Raspberry Pi robot. So this is something that I have been wanting for quite a while. Something I'm very interested in is robotics, and my lovely wife pulled the trigger for me and bought me one for Christmas. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this and check out to see what this robot's like. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. Always gotta have a trusty knife. Alrighty. Here we go. Cool. Let's get rid of that. We'll just, because why not? For the big reveal. There we go. It's the PiCar-X AI Car Kit. So this one by SunFounder, and it's supposed to be an AI self-driving robot car. So as you guys will soon find out, or I'll just tell you now, my profession is a data scientist currently, and I am working on becoming a machine learning engineer in the process. And so this, I've been very interested in robotics, and this is perfect. So it uses a Raspberry Pi to power the entire robot, and they give you the entire kit. So this one comes without the Raspberry Pi. So let's continue opening it up. Close that up. Nice. So there we have it. Open it up. We got some instructions here. Some documentation. Go through it in a second. You can see, shows you how to build it. Oh, it's a big pamphlet thing. So there we go. Open that up. So that, and there we have it. The robot itself. So it's pretty cool. You know, kind of like the all white matte finish. Every piece is made of this metallic kind of material. So pretty sturdy. So there's one piece. Another one. This I'm assuming is the body, which houses the majority of the components. This is probably where the Raspberry Pi sits and whatnot. Here we got some string. We got some connectors, some wires to connect everything together. This looks like the camera housing shown on the front picture. And then this little doohickey here. Another one. Ooh, some more, and then some scrunchy cord thing. So yeah. Ooh, some hidden pieces in here. So that's another one. Another piece. Another piece. And another one. I don't know what most of these pieces are, but as you can see, not too many. Quite small. And then I'll take this off. Ooh. So we got some more stuff going on here. We've got the wheels. So it comes with 4 wheels. Because you know it's a car, so a car needs 4 wheels, or most cars come with 4 wheels. So we got 4 wheels here. Pretty nice, pretty sturdy. Nice little plastic rubber thing going on here, and these are made of plastic, so different from the body. And we got some motors here, as you can see. So yeah, it's a motor here. Pretty cool. Comes with 2 motors. And then a little baggie with some more things in it. Much smaller pieces. And then I'm assuming this is one of the sensors. Don't really know what's in it. So, already open. So here we go. Got some tabs looking connection thingies, I'm guessing. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Just gonna throw that back in the bag so I don't lose it. And then, ooh, that is the camera. So that's gonna be the object detection for the AI and whatnot, the camera to use. Nice and small, let's open them up. There we have it, the camera. Get it into focus. So yeah, that's the camera here and whatnot. Pretty cool. Put that one also back in the bag so we don't lose it or damage it, because it's kind of fragile. Comes with a little Allen key, put all the connections together, and a little wrench. Pretty nice, actually. Never seen a wrench this tiny. But yeah, so that's, oh, there's more. More surprises, more surprises. Wow, there's a lot going on in here, actually. So here we got the battery pack. So looks like it also doesn't come with batteries. And it looks like it takes, let's see, I'm assuming these are just AA batteries, 2 AA batteries, but we'll find out soon enough. Some more motors in here. So these are some servo motors. Comes with 3 of them. You can see, 1, 2, 3 motors. Comes with a little screwdriver, which is pretty cool. So it comes with all the tools that you need, which is pretty nice. So some more parts, some more plastic parts, probably for the servos. So it comes with a bunch of these little baggies of parts. This looks like a casing for this doohickey right here. It's a nice little plastic casing. Pretty nice. Okay. And then let's take this one out. So here's one of the other sensors that comes with it. I think this one is a distance sensor. So there's that, as you can see here. Cool little distance sensor. Looks like 2 little eyes. And then we have this. I think this one is a light sensor. I could be wrong. 3-channel grayscale. I don't know if you can see that. But right there says 3-channel grayscale sensor. So I'm assuming it's some type of light sensor to detect light. Here's the other side of it. There's a nice little SunFounder logo on it, which is pretty cool. And then last but not least, this looks like, let's take this whole bit out. Looks like it doesn't want to come out. I don't want to break it. Ooh. Last but not least, this doohickey thing. Some type of, looks like some of the brains. I have no idea. Oh, comes with a little speaker on the back. And then there's a little on and off switch, so I'm assuming you use this to control the sounds and some of the motors and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. This is just some protectiveness for some of the connectors. Take that off, see the full thing. So yeah, So yeah, that's everything in the box. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. That was my first one, so obviously it'll be a little bumpy, but I hope you enjoyed it regardless. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about the PiCar-X AI car kit from SunFounders. So a little bit about it. I got it off of Amazon, or my wife got it for me off of Amazon, should I say. It is currently listed for $109.99 US dollars, and it has a $30 coupon off, so it's $30 off, and so my wife got it for me for about 80 bucks. So not bad for what comes in the box. As you can see, it comes with a couple sensors, a couple motors, some servos, the entire wheel, some other things. Let's see, some other things about it. So the body of the car is actually made from aluminum alloy. They make it super easy to assemble it. See, it comes with little parts, little screws and tools that you need. So it comes with everything you need aside from batteries and the actual Raspberry Pi board. So with this kit, you're supposed to be able to do some object detection, line tracking, obstacle avoidance. It has a speaker, you can play music, and you can also do text-to-speech, which is actually pretty cool. And so with this, you should be able to, it says that you're able to program it in Python and also Blockly, or otherwise known as similar to Scratch for kids. So if you're a kid and you want to play around with this robot, you can use a simple programming type language called Scratch. So it's pretty kid-friendly, but also for more advanced programmers or for adults like myself, you can use Python, which is pretty cool. In addition to the car, it looks like it comes with an app that you can use to remote control the car, which is pretty cool. And let's see, what else? Oh, there's some cliff detection, and yeah, so that's pretty much everything that this little kit can do, which is pretty cool. As somebody just getting started out in robotics, such as myself, I think this comes with plenty to work with in the beginning. You get to learn a little bit about some motors, about some different sensors. So you got, like, you know, your object detection, your line detection, light detection. You get to play with some sound, and also use some AI technology, which is actually pretty cool. I think this was an awesome, pretty little kit. And I think that anybody who is interested in robotics should decide to cop this, because I think this is actually pretty cool and at its cost. The one thing I will say kind of sucks is that it doesn't come with the actual Raspberry Pi. So as of this recording, Raspberry Pis are pretty expensive, and I didn't realize that. So they're on Amazon, they were like $200 plus. Anywhere else, some actual reliable distributors, they're selling them for about, I think, 180-ish, something along those lines, but they're all sold out. So I couldn't find any, but thankfully, I had gotten one for Christmas years past, back when I was in college, so this is probably going by like almost 5 years ago now. I got one for Christmas and I actually gave it to my younger brother-in-law, who was so kind enough to actually send it back. So he sent it back so that I could use it and test out this new kit. So that'd be the only one downside about the kit. So all in all, it's gonna run you about, if you are able to get the deal, so it's 80 bucks plus another 180 or so. So you're looking at about 260 if I did my math right, probably not, but I'll put up the actual number somewhere around here. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool kit, and I'm excited to try it out. I will leave a link down in the description for the actual Amazon link for the kit itself, and then some couple places where you could potentially get a Raspberry Pi. Hopefully they come back in stock, but as of right now, it's pretty low stock. But sometime early next year, I was reading that they should come back, more Raspberry Pi should come back in stock. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you want to follow along as I continue this journey, come back for my next video where I'm actually gonna assemble this, put it all together, and maybe do a little bit of testing to see how some of the parts work. But thanks for watching, hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Peace.